What's up everybody, it's Mayank. Listen up, because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you. We're talking about 5 AI tools that are literally printing money for students, freelancers, anyone who knows how to use them. Forget everything you thought you knew about needing experience or tons of cash to start an online business. These tools are your cheat codes to the game. If you're between 16 and 25, this video could change your life. Stay tuned to learn how you can easily earn between $100 to $2,000 using these amazing AI tools. Don't miss out on these opportunities. Watch till the end to unlock your potential. First up, we've got OpusClip. This revolutionary tool is changing the game for content creators everywhere. This AI is like having a personal video editor that never sleeps. Imagine having a tireless assistant who works around the clock, ensuring your content is always fresh and engaging. Imagine taking any long, boring video and turning it into viral-worthy clips for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, TikTok, you name it. OpusClip can sift through hours of footage and find those golden moments that are perfect for short-form content. That's what OpusClip does in seconds. It's incredibly fast and efficient, saving you countless hours that you can spend on other creative endeavors, or simply relaxing. You could be editing your own content to blow up your channels faster, or even better, offer this as a service on Fiverr or Upwork. The demand for video editing services is skyrocketing, and with OpusClip, you can meet that demand effortlessly. Think about it. People are making thousands of dollars every month just by editing other people's videos. This isn't just a side hustle, it can become a full-time income stream. I'm talking about charging $50, $100, even more, just to turn a long video into a bunch of short, shareable clips. The potential for earnings is enormous, especially as more businesses and influencers seek to expand their online presence. And the best part? You don't need any editing skills. OpusClip is designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're a complete beginner, you can still produce professional quality clips. OpusClip does all the heavy lifting for you. It uses advanced algorithms to identify the best parts of your videos and automatically creates engaging clips that are ready to share. It's like having a secret weapon in the world of content creation. With OpusClip, you can stay ahead of the competition, grow your audience, and make money doing what you love. So why wait? Start transforming your videos into viral shorts today with OpusClip. Next up is ElevenLabs, and this one is straight out of a sci-fi movie. Imagine a world where you can clone your voice with such precision that even your closest friends and family can't tell the difference. That's exactly what ElevenLabs offers. This AI can literally clone your voice, capturing every nuance, every inflection, and every unique characteristic that makes your voice, well, yours. And I'm not talking about some cheap imitation. This is high-fidelity voice cloning that sounds so real, it's almost eerie. This sounds exactly like you. Think about the possibilities. You could be in 2 places at once, or even more. Your voice could be narrating a video while you're out enjoying your day. You can use it for voiceovers on YouTube, creating content without the need to constantly record yourself. Narrate videos without ever hitting record, saving you time and effort. Even dominate on TikTok without ever showing your face. Imagine the creative freedom this gives you. But here's where the money comes in, the real game changer. People are making bank selling voiceovers online. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork are teeming with opportunities. Fiverr, Upwork, you name it. These platforms are gold mines for anyone with a high-quality voiceover service. There's a huge demand for high-quality voiceovers, and businesses are willing to pay top dollar for them. And with ElevenLabs, you can offer your cloned voice and fulfill orders in minutes. No more spending hours in a recording studio. Imagine waking up to find out your cloned voice made you $100 overnight. Passive income at its finest. That's the power of ElevenLabs. It's not just about convenience. It's about unlocking new opportunities and revenue streams. The future of voice technology is here, and it's more accessible than ever. Now let's talk about Midjourney. This AI is an artist on steroids. You literally type in what you want to see, and Midjourney creates stunning, one-of-a-kind images. We're talking about selling prints, creating NFT art, designing ebook covers that pop, even making custom t-shirt designs. You can start an Instagram art page, build a following, and sell your Midjourney creations directly to your fans. The best part? You don't need to be a Picasso to make money with this. Midjourney does all the hard work, you just provide the creative spark. It's like having a money printing machine for art. Let me introduce you to Castmagic, the ultimate tool for turning audio into pure content gold. This AI takes any audio, like podcasts or interviews, and transforms it into emails, blog posts, quotes, you name it. Think about all the creators out there who are sitting on hours of valuable audio content. You can offer your services as a content repurposing ninja, charging top dollar to help them reach a wider audience. Imagine taking a 30-minute podcast episode and turning it into a week's worth of social media content, blog posts, and even email newsletters. That's the power of Castmagic. Last but not least, we have Notion AI, the ultimate secret weapon for anyone who creates content. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a content creator, Notion AI can revolutionize the way you work. Imagine having a tool that not only helps you organize your thoughts but also generates ideas and plans your entire content strategy. This AI is like having a personal assistant, brainstorming partner, and content calendar all rolled into one. It can help you come up with fresh ideas, structure your projects, and keep you on track with deadlines. No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to write next. Notion AI takes the guesswork out of content creation. Need to write a killer resume? Notion AI can do it in minutes. It analyzes your skills and experiences, then crafts a professional resume that stands out. You can customize it to fit different job applications, ensuring you always put your best foot forward. Want to create a business plan that would make Elon Musk proud? Notion AI has got you covered. It guides you through each step, from market analysis to financial projections, making sure your plan is comprehensive and compelling. You can focus on your vision while Notion AI handles the details. But here's the real game changer. You can use Notion AI to offer content planning services to influencers and businesses. Imagine being able to provide a complete content strategy tailored to your client's needs with minimal effort on your part. Notion AI does the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on building relationships and growing your business. Imagine creating a content calendar gig on Fiverr, where you use Notion AI to generate a month's worth of engaging content ideas. You can offer this service to bloggers, YouTubers, and social media influencers, helping them stay consistent and relevant. The possibilities are endless, and the demand is high. People are desperate for this kind of help, and you can charge premium prices for it. Notion AI empowers you to turn your skills into a profitable business, providing value to clients while streamlining your workflow. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer in the world of content creation. There you have it, 5 AI tools that are literally changing the game for anyone who wants to make money online. If you're not using at least one of these tools, you're literally missing out on money in 2025. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. So what are you waiting for? Which one will you try first? Comment below. Subscribe for weekly AI tools that make money. Like if you want a part 2 with hidden gems.